Okay. So what are sets? Okay. Sets are basically collection of elements. And the elements are basically the individual components within a set. And we denote sets with these curly brackets. So for example, set A is denoted with this curly bracket here. I'm going to choose any random set here, call it 2. Maybe the set of even numbers, less than 10 or less than equal to 10. Okay, and we write it like this. Okay, and each of these guys is an element. In a set, order does not matter. Which basically implies that if you have another set, A is actually going to be equal to 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. These sets are equal to each other because order does not matter. So these are sets. An example of a set. I'm going to introduce another set called B. And B is the set of even numbers, say less than or equal to 6. Because every element in set B is also in set A, we say that set B is a subset of set A, denoted by this kind of flat C looking notation. So this is a notation. It means subset of. To determine the number, the operator that computes the number of elements within a set, we denote it by this n. So for example, the number of elements within set A is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 elements within that set. The number of elements in set B is going to be 3. So continuing over here, the set that has no elements is called the null set. And a null set basically is a set with no elements. And it's denoted by the 0 diagonal line running across it. Okay, or sometimes it's denoted with curly brackets with no elements inside it.
What's the point of it then?
The null set?
Yeah.
We're gonna need it for mathematical purposes later on. When we perform operations on different sets. Okay, we're gonna need it. Okay, so obviously, the number of elements within the null set is simply gonna be 0. If two sets have no elements in common, we call them disjoint sets. Okay? We call them disjoint sets. Okay? And that's the keyword there, disjoint sets.